Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai, and our web URL is smartfinancing.com. So, in this particular presentation, I am going to analyze the weekly trend what we have given. So, we have released the weekly trend report for the Nifty and Bank Nifty using our one standard deviation software, and this we have done on 10th of December. So 10th of December we have given this trend forecast for Nifty future and Bank Nifty future for the coming week. So, and this video also we have released, and it is now it is Wednesday, and 3 days are gone. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is ongoing. So we'll have a review. What are the calculations we have given and how far it has succeeded. So the video you can find it here. Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly trend forecast using the one standard deviation software. So before I go to this particular analysis, I just want to make one small announcement. So all our products, like we have 6 different courses and various softwares, including the one standard deviation software. We have an offer now, Christmas Day offer, which is on 62% discount. You are going to get this, and it is costing you 17,700, including all taxes. So if you are interested, make utilize of this opportunity to get all our stocks at a discounted price. Fine. So I'll be proceeding towards the session, and here you can see we have given various calculations. So all calculations, the way I used to say that we must validate any method which is successful must be accepted by the market. Market must accept the method. Then only you can say the method is successful. So this is a calculation is being given on 10th of December. I have categorically told we are 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, that week starting from 13th will be having these levels. So let us have a comparison. So these are the Nifty future data. 13th of December, Nifty future opened at 17,637. High made 17,688, and it has also made a low of 17,404, closed at 17,462. So this is what happened on the Monday. So this is the price point. Have a comparison with all our calculations. So calculation 688, again it has opened at the opening price also you can see 38 and 688. 688, couple of point above this calculation point of 679 it has moved. 636 here near to this, couple of points below the 0.382 retracement it has opened out. And more interestingly, it has made a 404 low and closing at 462. 462. So very close near to all this calculation point. Somewhere deviated by 5 points, somewhere deviated by 10 points. So this has happened. 462 it has, and here coming to the 14th of December, it has opened out 340. Made a high 424, gone to 230, low 17,230, and this is the last traded price 352. So all our calculation I used to say this is the trend reversal zone. Trend reversal zone. So if you compare yesterday's price points, so it has made a low 17,230. So 230, 17,220 is our price. So from here, from that it has made, then it has moved up, and again coming to this zone of 340, 382 to 338. This is the reversal zone. Could not able to penetrate that zone, so it has attempted, gone till 424. However, closed at 352. Closed at 352. Closed at 352. So in between this, it has closed at 424. So it has attempted just 0.5 retracement above. It has gone, but from here it has failed. And This 445 was a hurdle because 445 above only all trend confirmations used to be very vital. So 352, 53 level it has closed and 217,230 it has gone. So now today, we are recording it on 15th of December, 15th of December, and the time is 12:48. 12:48 time, 15th of December. So again, I am going back to the today's level. Have a look here. 17,379, 17,217, putting at 17,248. So 248. So I'm just referring to the first cycle. If you go to the second cycle, yesterday also 230 was one of the successful level. So today it has come down to today as of 1248. As of 1248, it has come down to 17,217. Just 2 points below this 17,217, and now putting at 17,000. 17,248 to 48 level, and in fact it has gone to a high of 379. So it has opened up 325, gone till 13,000, 17,379, 17,379. So this death zone, it is not going to crossover. So it has yesterday attempted, today it has gone till 379, couple of points below. However, it has also come down to 219 and struggling there, 248 level it is struggling. So this is the till Wednesday we are experiencing this price action. However, if you go for the second cycle, we are very much in the second cycle, very much in the second cycle. So as for the second cycle, so 247 level we are trading. So as for the second cycle level, so once it crosses 17,360, we can experience a trend reversal, or we can experience a downtrend reversal at 17,176, 130. At the same time, if it breaks below this, it can create 1700 level or 17,000 level also it can create. So this is for the Nifty. I have given day by day analysis. Monday what happened, Tuesday what happened, and Wednesday what is happening. Similar kind of actions you can see in the Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty also. This is the accuracy of this particular method. This method is fantastic and it works wonderfully in the weekly trend estimates. And we are just 3 days gone. We have 2 more days, Wednesday, not Thursday and Friday, 2 more days we are having. So we'll see where it is landing us. And in fact, today, tomorrow the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision is going to impact the market. So that too also is a trigger. So let us watch out all those level having a critical or external factor influencing the market. The calculations done by one standard deviation is proving day on day basis, day high basis, day low basis, day closing basis. It is proving its efficiency to this. And if you want to procure this software, you just visit our website smartfinancing.com, click on the products link, and here we have this one standard deviation software, monthly and yearly edition. Anything you like, you can. So this is intraday levels also. Every day we are putting in our Facebook using the same software. So today also we have put for the 15th December 2021. Have a look here. So it has told if it is going above 17,400, it will have these levels. So 309 below, it will maintain these levels. You can say that currently it has in this reversal zone, it is putting 17,236 to not 3. If there is a bounce back cluster also 220 from here itself, it has started a bounce back today. So it has started a bounce back from 17,217, which is cluster. So all this is the level of today. Today's calculations it is being given. About 17,000 236 to 203 is the reversal zone. Current price is above that. If it gets above 17,282, so this is the level you need to work out. So if it is breaking this level, then there is a possibility that the trend can change. Trend can change in the upside. Till that point, it is sustainable. So this everyday level also we are giving, and we are also giving a follow-up. What happens? So we are giving it in everyday morning, and again we are saying that what is, and then we are giving a follow-up to this particular post. If you are following us in the Facebook or Twitter, you can get all these informations. So if you watch on this level and weekly trend level, have a watch for the Friday till Friday, so you will come to know the efficiency of this level. And the trade style will differ. Suppose if you tell me what I am going to do now as a trader, what I should do now, whether I should buy Nifty or sell Nifty if I am not entered in Monday. So Monday, the downtrend breakout given, I did not enter the downtrend and I did not utilize this opportunity, then what I should do now? So I'll be waiting for, because since the price is in the dark second cycle, I'll be waiting for the 17,360 crossover. Here I can buy and I can put my stop loss at here 238, and also I can hedge it. Though there is a depth of 120 points, I can hedge it with one 17,350 put options purchase, and I will be aiming for a targets above, you can say, in the downward way. I'll be 382, 413, 445, 483. So this will be my target. As a swing trader, I can take action. However, same process, since it has already touched 217 and retracing from here, so 1.236. So I'll be still it is in the downtrend, still it is in the downtrend. I can think of selling here 17,238 level and buying a call options along with that. So 17,250 call options I can purchase along with this, and 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 keep a stop of 17,306, and I will be aiming for 176 to 132 as my target. As a swing trader, I can take this action. As a trader, following these levels on weekly basis, on Monday, if I would have initiated the trade, so this is my profit booking. It is almost matured. So first cycle is almost completing at 17,219. So I can think of booking the profit, and waiting for a new trend emerge. So many ways I can utilize these opportunities for my trades. So keep watching these levels. Give your feedback video, and if you have any query, you can ask me there also. And do not forget to participate in this particular offer. If you are interested, procure these particular products at a great discounted price. So these are the tools not developed with any standard logic. So they have used the real-time volatility, use the one standard deviation concept. It is far better than your technical study. So keep following these levels, give your feedback. Any query, you can call us in this number. Thank you very much. Thank you.